Making a website doesn't have to be hard and time-consuming. There is a new way to build one that requires zero coding skills, and it is not just another overpriced website builder. You don't have to worry about hiring anyone because literally anyone can do it in a matter of minutes. So today I'm going to show you what it is, how it works, and provide you with some useful examples so that you can get some ideas for your own website. So you're probably interested in this magical app, and if you're somewhat familiar with my channel, you probably know what it is. It's Notion, and it's a popular product management app and also a note-taking tool that many people use at work or at school. And you know that you can build some cool pages with it, and you can also publish them to web now because Notion just got a huge update called Notion Sites. So let's jump in and let me show you how it works. So right here I have a basic Notion page, and if you click right here on share, you get this option publish. And it was already in Notion for a long time, but it just got an upgrade. So if you hit publish, you can now click view site and it will redirect you to your browser, and you have your Notion website published to web, and anyone with this link can access it. So most of the older options remain the same, so you can do some search engine indexing, you can click this button to have your page discoverable on the web, and you can customize it further if you have the Plus plan, so you can edit the link title and description. We'll leave it off right now. And you can also click on site customization and it will take you to this new window, and here you can also change the theme and you can change the favicon and header, and you can also add your Google Analytics here. But the best part about the new update are custom domains. You can now link your own domain to Notion and you don't have to live with that super long link anymore. I will leave a link down in the description to the official Notion tutorial on how to do that with different domain providers. Unfortunately, this feature is behind the paywall, so you need to be a Notion Plus plan subscriber, but you can still change your own part of the domain and have it end in .notion.site. Let me show you how you can do that. So if you go to your Notion settings and click on sites on the left sidebar, you can click these three dots right here and you can update your domain, and you can write anything you want here and it will end in .notion.site. It looks much better than the randomly generated thing that Notion gave you, and if you don't want to pay for the custom domain, you can still use this and it will look much better. So if you're still not convinced that you should build a website with Notion, let me show you some examples. So the first and easiest page to create is a link in bio, and it's a very popular and useful thing that creators and businesses use to let their clients quickly navigate to relevant content. As you can see here, this is my link in bio page. I have a big cover at the top, also a customized Notion icon, and I added some links here that sit inside simple callouts. I also added a frequently asked question part at the bottom so that people can get to know things without messaging me directly. It saves time. So all that's left to do is to simply publish this to web, copy the link and put it on your social media bio. If you're running a business and you want to rank higher on search, you should probably start a blog. And you can do that with Notion since it has a very powerful text editing features. So here I came up with a company blog, sorry for the not creative name, and I use a Notion database, which is, or basically this is a linked view from a Notion database in another page. And here, if anybody clicks on this, they will have access to all of this content, and they will be able to read. And if you sort this with the date, you basically got yourself a full working blog. Another good idea for businesses who are hiring will be to create a job board. This is a template from Notion right here, and as you can see, if you click, for example, on the brand designer, you have a very detailed description, so you will be more likely to find the perfect person for your needs. And you can also sort this thing and all of the Notion database features are useful here. Now this next page, I'm not really sure if it's built with Notion, but it looks very much like it. It's called Spline Docs to be exact. Spline is a 3D modeling tool, something similar to Blender, and this company made amazing docs, probably with Notion. As you can see, this callout looks very much like it, and all of these emojis and these sub pages, if you click here, you have a very well formatted document and you can easily navigate it, and I encourage you to play with it. You can easily recreate this with Notion because clicking on the sub pages will work if you publish your parent page to the web. And as you can see, you can create some really complicated pages with tons of content, and yeah, it's a good thing for documentation. Now this last idea I know entrepreneurs will like. You can create landing pages in Notion. Just take a look at this. This one was taken from the official Notion templates page. It's made by Notion, and as you can see, you can create some stunning designs right here. All you need is a cool looking image and some playing with callouts and colors and emojis, of course. And if you scroll down, you can see they use the dividers, they use also some headings and more images, and they also use this kind of design for buttons, basically underlined text with an arrow button, and it looks really good. I think that for something that you can do very quickly, this is more than enough, and you can also embed stuff with the embed feature, and there's tons of things you can do here. Also, you can even embed probably some payment options if you want. You just have to be creative and find the different ways to use this. There are tons of ways to build a website with Notion, but all of this is pretty much useless if you don't know how to make your pages look good. So I encourage you to watch this video right here to learn all about that. And if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.